I'm here today. My name is Bert Seelman. I'm a human performance specialist. You might have seen some of my other YouTubes. I also wrote a book called The Great Fitness Fraud, 300 Million Victims in One Program for Your Defense, to help people to get well and better. And one of the things that's really bothered me today is addiction and addiction therapies. Most people that are going to addiction therapies are not getting treated in the way that's most beneficial to them to help them actually out. Let's talk about addiction and the treatment of addiction. First of all, when we have a person who's addicted, there's usually been substance abuse. I want you to hear that word, substance. That substance could be a chemical, it could be a drug, or it could be food. The cause of that usually starts in the three-part man. The three-part man is the spirit, then there's the body, and then there's the mind. Now, when we receive a wound in our spirit or our true being or in our mind and we perceive this, we start to want to cover that. We do not want to feel it. So we start to find something that is, shall we say, a diversion, a distraction. So we start on this particular substance, and then we start to become unbalanced chemically at the cell level, nutritionally. Our materials are thrown off. So some things are very much depleted. Pretty soon our body becomes so bothered by it, we start to have an agitation, a nervous type of response, on a disruption in the feelings of the body, a dis-ease, unrest at the cellular level, dis-ease. So we start to want to have this agitation relieved, so we need more of the substance. Well, everybody tries to talk to the person while they're in this agitated state, and it's not going to work. First of all, there are natural things that you can use to reduce those symptoms and reduce those agitations. And then what's needed to be done is the person needs to have the right nutrients put back into their system so that this agitation can be relieved, so that they can actually have some rest. They need some actual feelings of relaxation and hearing. Their mind and their spirit cannot hear the counseling because the agitation is so great in the body. So we need to focus on getting the body rebalanced first before we try to put all this counseling into an individual, because they're jonesing. They can't hear from the agitation that's going on inside their body. Yes, it's well meant, but if we were to first rebalance these people, as I've seen done many times and with very little recession, I mean, these people get well much faster because their body's put back in balance. Then they can hear what's going on. Their nervous system allows them to relax and to perceive and to hear. So we need to do this, and it's just easier on the person. Let's be easier on these people. Let's reduce this agitation and this withdrawal. When we just pull this substance away, we're not helping them. We're leaving them in a severely agitated state with no coping mechanism. And how stupid is that? So let's work on getting this person rebalanced. Let's get the right approach going, and let's try to make more sense out of what's going on. This will make it much easier, much faster, and the person will do much better. And I thank you for hearing me. Thank you.